kids, so I'm going to ask them. Come on.
So hey there, my name is Shashank, and I'm a sheer literature enthusiast. Like I love reading Hindi literature, English literature, as well as Bangla literature too. So I got to know about this book fair from my friends, and then I visited here. Like I'm coming here for the second time, and I bought a bunch of books again.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Anushka. I like to read, but I like to write more. But I think I'm running out of imagination to write. So I wanted to get back to the reading thing. So today I came up here with Shashank. Like he went 2 days ago to the book fair, but I also wanted to accompany him. So I came today. I was not free that day. So today we went to Penguin. We got this book. We got one book from Penguin and we got 4 books from, like these are 4 Hindi books that we got. And the best part is, like we went to the Hindi corner, there a lady came up to us and she asked us, ki, would you like to play a quiz? So in that quiz, we were to answer some questions of course, and then we got 16% additional discount over there, over the 20, so we got 36% discount.
And they also give us a gift.
So, okay.
Like, this is the gift they gave us.
Okay, so you haven't opened it.
Not yet.
Not
We are excited. And second thing is, when we won, so they wanted to record it just like you. Like how was our experience? So Shashank gave all like whatever he felt about it, and that was recorded, and that will go on their main account. So that was kind of a very good experience. Like overall, बहुत अच्छा था. We got to meet a lot of people.
So, what did you buy from Penguin?
I have bought William Blake selected poems, and basically William Blake is one of his favorites. And I also wanted to know since he has a lot of poems in different aspects. So I thought that this would be the best buy for me. So I took William Blake.
So, do you write poems?
I write sometimes. I write mostly based on experiences.
Okay, very good. So, what is the takeaway from here? Something that you like.
The people here are very welcoming. They are filled with contentment, as well as like the people who were enlightening us, other authors, the writers, the script writers, the playwrights. They are brilliant with their thing. What they are doing is like something that I will surely want to pursue in my future. So it was a great thing I have learned. I want to be in this field somehow.
Continuing on that, I saw a lot of people, talk about their experiences, basically writers. So it kind of, gives that impression that you are inspired to be a writer. Like somehow I do, my majors in commerce. I would go up in corporate. But I think that there should remain some, creativity in us. We should have some, hobby in us. So I want, like him, I just want to write, but not become an author per se, but, just write for my own liking. So that was the whole thing, that it gave me some inspiration that I can also end up somewhere down the line.
And be a William Blake, right? Wow. All the very best to both of you.
Thank you.